Today is another episode of what? Upgrading your system in another way. What I mean by upgrade, like if you want to upgrade your software, like driving the system, like making the system to work fast. This is how you do it. Instead of updating, like going to internet, you can do that also. Going to internet to update your system. There's a software called Snappy Drive. You can use it to update and drive your system. Follow me, let's do that. I'm running it from my flash. So I will enter the flash and open the software, open the setup. This is how it looks like. The Snappy Drive 2025. You can allow this or cancel it. So you go to select all, you click on it, then you leave it to run. You can see that it's running now. So after this finished, your system will be very fast and active instead of dragging and working slowly now. Click on the like button and share.